Today we are going to do the remaining questions of exercise 4.5 of chapter 4 maths. So we have to continue from question 7. So the question 7 is, find the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 32, 36 and 48. So we have to find the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 32, 36 and 48. So first find the LCM of 32, 36 and 48. So the LCM you can find by division method also and prime factorization also. It's your choice. When we will find the LCM, we will get the answer here 288. Now the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now we have to divide 1000 and 288. So divide 1000 by 288. 288 3s are 864. 864,000 minus 864. It will be 136. So now in order to find the required number, we have to add 1000 to the subtraction of 288 and 136, which is the remainder, 136. And when we will subtract 288 and 136, we will get 152. Now add 1000 and 152. We will get the answer 1152. So 1152 is the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 32, 36 and 48. Now the question 8 is similar to question 6, which I had done in the previous video. You can see in the previous video it is similar to question 6, and the answer of question 8 I have given 9960. Answer will be 9960 of question 8, and question 9 is similar to question 7. So you can try it at home. And the answer of question 9 is 10,080. So the answer of question 9 is 10,080. Now, as you know that question 10 is not in a syllabus, but still for knowledge I am doing it. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm, 77 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? So simply they have said that 3 boys have stepped off together from the same spot and the steps measure 63, 70 and 77 cm. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? So first find the LCM of 63, 70 and 77. When we find the LCM of these 3 numbers, we will get the LCM as 6930 cm. Now here it is again your choice. Either you can use the division method or you can use prime factorization method. So 6930 cm we have got the LCM, and minimum distance. So this is the answer. Okay, the minimum distance each boy should cover is 6930 cm. That is 69 meter 30 cm. The minimum distance each boy should cover is 6930 cm. So here I have converted this 6930 cm into meters, as we can convert it. So answer will be 69 meter 30 cm. Again question 11 is similar to question 10. Answer of question 11 will be 7 minutes 12 seconds past 7 am. It is also not in a syllabus, so it's your choice. You can do it or not. So now question 12. Question 12 is, if product of two numbers is 4032 and the HCF is 12, find their LCM. So the product of two numbers is 4032 and the HCF of these two numbers is 12. And they have asked that we have to find the LCM. So in order to find the LCM over here is we have to divide product of two numbers and HCF of these two numbers. So divide 4032 by 12. Either you can use the cutting method or you can use the division method. And then when you cut 12 by 4032, you will get the answer 336. So 336 is the LCM of the numbers whose product is 4032 and HCF is 12. Question 13. Question 13 is the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 9, 270 respectively. If one of the numbers is 45, find the other number. So the HCF and LCM of two numbers is 9 and 270 and one of the numbers is 45. You have to find the other number. Now in order to find the other number, we have to use this formula, LCM into HCF upon one of the two numbers. So here, what is the LCM? LCM is 270. Write it over here. Then HCF of these numbers is 9. Write it 270 into 9. Then one of the two numbers is 45. We will write 45 below as we have to divide it. Now using the cutting method, you will get the answer 54. 9 ones are 9, 9 5s are 45, 54s are 270. So 54 is the other number. Now question 14. Question 14 is find the HCF of 180 and 336. Hence find their LCM. So they have asked that we have to first find the HCF of 180 and 336. Then we have to find the LCM of these two numbers. So first, in order to find the HCF, we will just simply use the division method or prime factorization method to find the HCF of 180 and 336. It will be 12. When you use the division method or prime factorization method, then you will get the HCF as 12. And now they must hence find their LCM. You have to find the LCM too. So instead of finding the LCM by division method, the short form here over is now product of two numbers upon HCF. As I told in the question 12 also, it is product of two numbers upon HCF of the numbers. So thereby it will be same 180 into 336 upon 12. When we will use the cutting method, 12 15s are 180 and then 15 into 336 is equal to 5040. So the LCM and HCF of 180 and 336 is 5040 and 12. And now, as you know that question 15 is not in our syllabus, still if you want to know the answer and if you want to do, you can refer to example 10, solved example 10 given in the book. Can two numbers have 12 as their HCF and 234 as their LCM? Give reason to justify your answer. This is the question. So example 10 of solved examples is an example for question 15. Thank you.